Hi again everyone, it's me Asawang Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog is I'm gonna upload a short video of me in the salon doing my foot spa and nail color. So I hope you enjoy this short video and then let's get started. Hi everyone! Thank you to my sponsor. Naku sponsor. Sponsors ako ang nails. It is very important for us, especially women, to go in the salon and give time to ourselves, pampering ourselves, especially for your busy time. So you do a lot of work, but you forget about yourself.
Saan naman na?
Salon time with my friends here. Nag-sticking kayo ba? Nga ako, serious kasi lahang trabaho. Serious kayong duha, oh? Akong anak ba, last time, wag ko na mo gipa manicures kong suki, mami, oy. Inaampoy suki. Kamu po suki po siya. Pero kuan po nako ba, mohandol po nako. Kasi kinsa ra man ko god. Insya adto ko digto next time ha. Iko sige lang kay abi na ko okay ra ka. Na makigihandulan ato last time. Wala ka to. Insya ganahan ko ato niya kay hinay ra ba. Mura po ganang dakong tao. Kaya siya, tabian kayo ang handle nako. Tabian ko suki ka. Nagkatawa ko. Tataod lang gamay. Puti ninyo siya, no? Nawa kong tilo. Puti. Tikti bagi kayo mo itinin. Kuda spot man. Indot sa masas. It is also very important to look comfortable. So after this short video, next vlog is I'm gonna upload a barefoot driving and mountain driving video, short video of mountain driving that's about 5 minutes, and then I will continue uploading this video in my membership channel. So I hope you see you there and join to my membership, and then okay, see you, bye.